शुक्रवार को राज्यसभा में कांग्रेस सांसद की सीट से नोटों की गड्डी मिलने पर जबरदस्त हंगामा हो गया। दरअसल सभापति जगदीप धनखड़ ने सदन में जानकारी दी कि गुरुवार को सदन की कार्यवाही स्थगित होने के बाद सुरक्षा अधिकारियों ने हमें जानकारी दी कि सीट नंबर 222 से कैश मिला है। ये सीट तेलंगाना से सांसद अभिषेक मनु सिंघवी को अलॉट की गई है। इस मामले में नियमों के मुताबिक जांच होनी चाहिए और ये हो भी रहा है। सभापति के बयान के बाद संसद में हंगामा मच गया। मामले को लेकर सभापति धनखड़ ने क्या कुछ कहा है, सुनिए।
Honorable members, I hereby inform that during the routine anti-sabotage check of the chamber after the adjournment of the House yesterday, apparently a wad of currency notes was recovered by the security officials from seat number 222, presently allotted to Shri Abhishek Manu Singhvi, elected from the state of Telangana for the term 2024 to 2026. The matter was brought to my notice, and I felt it expedient, as per practice and ordainment, to ensure that investigation takes place in accordance with law, and the same is underway. It was my duty, and I am obliged to inform the House. And information is imparted for a very simple reason, that this is a routine anti-sabotage check which takes place. When it was brought to my notice, I thought someone would come to reclaim it. Since nothing happened since this morning, we are, number one, I am not aware. You can't make out from the look currency notes whether they are fake or not. Apparently, denomination is 500 rupees. Word appears to be physically of 100 notes. But all these are subject to serious investigation. And I am sure no one should be opposed to an investigation, because this House, even otherwise, has to send a signal. We are increasingly getting into formal economy. Does it indicate, Honorable Finance Minister, state of economy that people can afford to forget?
सभापति के बयान के बाद कांग्रेस अध्यक्ष मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे ने इस पर सफाई भी दी है। उन्होंने क्या कुछ कहा, सुनिए।
I am not going beyond that because I know that you will not allow if I go beyond. सर, मेरा एक ही निवेदन है, ये मैटर आपने कहा कि इन्वेस्टिगेशन में है। जब तक इन्वेस्टिगेशन नहीं होता और जब तक आपको ऑथेंटिसिटी से कोई एक व्यक्ति के पास या कोई एक सीट के ऊपर मिला है, उसका ऑथेंटिसिटी नहीं होता, तब तक तो उसका नाम बोलना ही नहीं। ये अरे छोड़ो भाई, सर, you know, you all lawyers, can he do like this?
1 second.
And these people,
1 second.
ये अरे छोड़ो, ये सब ऐसे चिल्लर काम करके ही देश को बदनाम कर रहे हैं।
Honorable members, honorable members, the leader of the opposition has said two things. One second, sir. I have taken note of it. I have taken note of it. Leader of the opposition has said one thing, that when a matter is under investigation, we should not be making a debate of it. I would greatly appreciate this be followed. I find its breach virtually every day. Everything under investigation is more subject of investigation in our debate. Number two, to respond to the Honorable LOP, I was extremely concerned, and therefore I myself ascertained whether the Honorable member had really attended the House. I couldn't go more than that. And I found out from the record which we maintained electronically that the Honorable member had in fact signed that he had come to the House. Now, I have not made any reflection. I cannot, Honorable members, I cannot even say whether the currency notes are genuine or not. I can't even say whether they are handed or not. I can't say.
संसद में अपनी सीट पर नोटों की गड्डी मिलने के बाद अभिषेक मनु सिंघवी का भी इस पर बयान सामने आया है। उन्होंने अपनी सफाई में क्या कुछ कहा है, ये भी सुन लीजिए।
I am quite astonished to even hear about it about 5 minutes ago. I never heard of it. I reached the inside of the house yesterday at 12:57 p.m. In the afternoon. The house rose at 1 p.m. 3 or 4 minutes after I entered the house. From 1 to 1:30, I sat with Mr. Ayodhya Prasad in the canteen in Sangam and had lunch. At 1:30, I left Parliament. So my total stay in the house yesterday was 3 minutes and my stay in the canteen was 30 minutes. I find it bizarre that even on such issues, politics is raised. Of course, there must be an inquiry as to how people can come and put anything anywhere in any seat. It means that each of us must have a seat where the seat itself can be locked and the key can be carried home by the Member of Parliament, because everybody can then do things on the seat and make allegations about the seat. This is, if it was not tragic and serious, it would be comic. I think everybody should cooperate in getting to the bottom of this. And if there is a failing in the security agencies, that must also be completely exposed.
इस वीडियो पर आपकी क्या राय है? ये वीडियो आपको कैसा लगा? कमेंट बॉक्स में जरूर बताइएगा। बाकी देश और दुनिया की तमाम खबरों के लिए देखते रहिए न्यूज नेशन। शुक्रिया।
न्यूज नेशन अब व्हाट्सएप पर खबरों के ताजा अपडेट के लिए न्यूज नेशन के इस QR कोड को स्कैन करें।